If you're looking for a unique knot pattern to incorporate into your macrame projects, then you definitely want to see this one. Nicole here and welcome to BOCHIKNOT Macrame. In this tutorial, I will be going over a diamond-shaped knot pattern made using the double half-hitch knot. If you're looking for an intricate and unique knot pattern to include in the base of your wall hanging or on the front of a bag pattern, then this may be right for you. I do have to preface with that this pattern is an intermediate level pattern, so if you are not familiar with the double half-hitch knot pattern, I definitely recommend you practice the double half-hitch knot first before attempting this one. If you guys are keen on learning more knots and knot patterns, we do have a free 50 knots and sentence ebook for download over on BOCHIKNOT.com. And we also have a lot of other helpful macrame resources such as tips and tricks and guides to help you on your macrame journey. So if you guys are interested, head on over to BOCHIKNOT.com for more info. And with all that said, let's get right into it. To demonstrate this knot pattern, I've attached 6 strands of 200 centimeter long cords onto the dowel with Lark's head knots. To begin, we're going to start with our middle 2 cords, take the middle right cord as the anchor cord and the middle left cord as the working cord for a diagonal double half-hitch knot to the left. Using the same anchor cord, we're going to take the next cord over to the left as a working cord for another diagonal double half-hitch knot. Now with the middle right cord as an anchor cord, take the next cord over to the right as a working cord for a diagonal double half-hitch knot to the right. And now we're going to close off this mini diamond using the same anchor cord on the right side and the same working cord. Make a diagonal double half-hitch knot to the left. And then repeat the same thing on the left side, mirroring what we just did on the right. Now to close this off, take the middle right cord as an anchor cord and the middle left cord as a working cord for one more diagonal double half-hitch knot to the left. So with this mini oval or mini diamond pattern, we're going to take that top left cord on the left side and we're going to use that as an anchor cord for 2 double half-hitch knots to the left. Now we're going to take the anchor cord over to the right for 1 diagonal double half-hitch knot to the right side. Now, taking the middle left cord as an anchor cord, we're going to make 2 diagonal double half-hitch knots to the left with the next 2 cords over to the left. And now we're going to repeat the exact same thing we did here on the left on the right side. So with that top right cord from that middle diamond up at the top, we're going to use that as an anchor cord for 2 double half-hitch knots over to the right. Now flip the anchor cord over to the left for one double half hitch knot. Then taking that middle right cord as an anchor cord, make 2 diagonal double half hitch knots to the right. So we have been making smaller diamonds so far, and now that we're done the right side, we're going to head back to the center of the pattern and finish off a slightly bigger diamond. So using the same anchor cord on the left side, we're going to make 2 diagonal double half hitch knots to the right, and then repeat the same thing on the right side. And then close off with one more double half hitch knot in the middle. Now on the left side of this pattern, that top cord from the center of the pattern, we're going to use that as an anchor cord for another 2 diagonal double half hitch knots to the left. And now we're going to make 2 diagonal double half hitch knots over to the right side. Now taking the next cord down from the center of the pattern on the left side, use that as an anchor cord for 1 diagonal double half hitch knot to the left, and then with the same anchor cord, bring it over to the right for 2 diagonal double half hitch knots to the right. Now repeat the same thing on the right side, mirroring what we just did on the left. Now to close off the bottom of this pattern, we're going to make one more mini diamond with the middle 4 cords. So starting with the middle left cord as an anchor cord, make a diagonal double half hitch knot to the left, and then with the middle right cord, make a diagonal double half hitch knot to the right. Then using the same anchor cords on both sides, make a diagonal double half hitch knot towards the center on both sides, and then finish off with one more double half hitch knot in the middle. And we are now complete with this diamond double half hitch knot pattern. And that's a wrap with our intermediate level diamond macrame knot pattern. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of this. And if you guys do incorporate this into your macrame projects, make sure you share with me on Instagram at BOCHIKNOT. If you guys enjoyed this intermediate level intricate knot pattern, we do go over intricate patterns like this in more detail over on the BOCHIKNOT macrame community on Patreon. If you guys are interested in finding out more, check out patreon.com/BOCHIKNOT for more details. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.